Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome all of you in today's active English class. Today onwards, we will continue with our revision as we have completed our portion. So, in today's class, we will continue revision of lesson number 9 and 11. Select the correct option to make sentences. Children, you are supposed to select the correct option to make sentence. Okay. Maya is careful. Anu is careful too. Now come on, can you give me the answer? Maya is careful. Anu is careful too. So which one will be the correct option? Maya is as careful as Anu, or Maya is more careful than Anu? Which one will you pick up? A or B? Come on. Very good. Maya is as careful as Anu. No? So A is the correct option. Fine. Now repeat after me. Maya is careful. Anu is careful too. That means Maya is as careful as Anu. One more time we'll revise. Maya is careful. Anu is careful too. Maya is as careful as Anu. Very good. The first sum was easy. The second sum was easy too. Come on, A or B? Which one will you pick up? Yes, the first sum was easier than the second sum, or the first sum was as easy as the second sum. Very good. B is the correct answer. So the first sum was as easy as the second sum. Okay, I repeat, the first sum was as easy as the second sum is the correct option. Fine. The first sum was easy. The second sum was easy too. That means both are easy. Okay, the first sum was easy. The second sum was easy too. That is why the correct option will be the first sum was as easy as the second sum. Now repeat after me. The first sum was easy. The second sum was easy too. The first sum was as easy as the second sum. The first sum was easy. The second sum was easy too. The first sum was as easy as the second sum. Very good. The string is strong. The rope is very strong. Yes, children? See the sentences. The string is strong. The rope is very strong. That means the second thing is superior than the first one. Okay? So, which will be the correct option? Just see, the string is not as strong as the rope, or the string is as strong as the rope. Yes? Very good. The string is not as strong as the rope. The first one. That means A is the correct option. Okay? The string is strong. The rope is very strong. That is why, that means the string is not as strong as the rope. Okay? Now repeat after me. The string is strong. The rope is very strong. The string is not as strong as the rope. The string is strong. The rope is very strong. The string is not as strong as the rope. Good. The man is angry. The woman is very angry. Come on, tell me. The man is angry. The woman is very angry. Yes, A or B? Come on. The man is as angry as the woman, or the man is not as angry as the woman? Yes, that means the man is not as angry as the woman is the correct option. Okay, very good. Now repeat after me. The man is angry. The woman is very angry. The man is not as angry as the woman. Second time we'll revise. The man is angry. The woman is very angry. The man is not as angry as the woman. Very good. Now we'll continue with select the option to complete the degree. Hard dash hardest. Here you are supposed to write the comparative form. Which will be the comparative form? A or B? Just see the correct spelling. A is the correct answer. Very good. Okay. So hard, harder, hardest. Spelling of harder is H-A-R-D-E-R. Okay. Hard, harder, hardest. Now repeat after me. Hard, harder, hardest. Hard, harder, hardest. Good. Slowly, more slowly, then you have to write the superlative form here. So which will be the correct answer, A or B? Just see the correct spelling here. B is the correct answer. Very good. Okay. Most slowly. So now slowly, more slowly and most slowly. Okay. Repeat after me. Slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Good. Now we'll continue with select the option to change into questions. Okay, you're supposed to select the option out of the given options to change the given sentence into question. Okay. Mohan has finished the work. Has he finished the work or has he finished the work? Yes? Very good. The first one is the correct option. Okay, that means has he finished the work? Okay, this is the correct option. Fine. Mohan has finished the work. Has he finished the work? Okay. Has he finished the work? And then question mark at the end. Fine. So now repeat after me. Mohan has finished the work. Has he finished the work? Mohan has finished the work. Has he finished the work? Very good. Maya has counted the rulers. Now tell me, has he counted the rulers or has she counted the rulers? Very good. B will be the correct option because has she counted the rulers? That means Maya is given in the sentence. So has she will come, right? So B will be the correct option. Very good. Has she counted the rulers? Very good. Now repeat after me. Maya has counted the rulers. Has she counted the rulers? Maya has counted the rulers. Has she counted the rulers? Miss Rao has posted the letter. Come on. Has she posted the letter or has she posted the letter? A or B will be the correct option. B, very good. B is the correct option. Okay. Has she posted the letter? Okay. Miss Rao has posted the letter. She has already posted the letter. Okay. So the question will be, Has she posted the letter? Okay. Now repeat after me. Miss Rao has posted the letter. Has she posted the letter? Miss Rao has posted the letter. Has she posted the letter? The men have not painted the house. Yes, come on, tell me. Have they painted the house or have they painted the house? Very good. B will be the correct option. Have they painted the house? Okay. Now repeat after me. The men have not painted the house. The correct option will be, have they painted the house? One more time we'll revise. The men have not painted the house. Have they painted the house? Good. Children, here we have completed one part of our revision. Now in the next class, we will continue with the remaining part. Okay. Till then, keep revising. See you in the next class.